Alright everybody, this is 1 pound of mesquite marinated chicken, boneless chicken breast I bought from the Vee deli counter. And as you all see at the beginning of the video what I paid for it. I sliced this into 3 pieces. And now I'm going to get up my meat hammer and I'm going to tenderize this. Then I'm going to cook it. Then I'm going to season it with some barbecue sauce at the end when I finish off cooking it. Then I'm going to put on some hamburger buns and we're going to give it a taste test and a review here, so stay tuned everybody. Alright, here it is everybody. I tenderized it. You got it spread out. I put a little bit of cooking oil in the pan. And then we're going to put the meat in there and we're going to cook it. And then after that, we're going to pull it off and we're going to put on some buns. A little bit of barbecue sauce and some flavor, and we'll go from there. And then we'll give it a taste test. We'll give a review and a rating. And we'll let you know if it's something that you should go to the store and pick out and maybe give it a try for yourself, or if it's something you should just maybe not even bother with. That remains to be seen. Hopefully I'll just stick with us here for a few more minutes as we get this going. So let's get into this everybody. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's cooking along quite nicely. We flipped it over 1 time already. So let's see what's going on underneath here. Oh yeah. It's cooking quite nicely, everybody. I'm very hungry, so I decided to have something to eat. Ivy and Mason say it's usually got a really good selection of meat on their deli counter. You can kind of touch chicken and you can feel the firmness. When it gets firm, generally that tells me that it's just about done. So we're going to pull this off. I'm going to put mozzarella cheese on the buns with the chicken for my cheese topping. Then I put Miracle Whip, and I put on mozzarella fine shredded cheese. Okay everybody, here it is. And this is the completed sandwich. I put barbecue sauce. And here is some of the chicken left over when I eat a piece. Very delicious. That's just by itself. I'm going to go ahead and assemble these sandwiches. And then we'll go in for a taste test and a review. And we'll wrap up the video with a rating. So stay tuned everybody. Okay everybody. Here it is. 2 grilled chicken with mozzarella cheese and cookies barbecue sauce on a white hamburger bun. We got a few little pieces of meat left over there that weren't quite enough for another sandwich, so we're just going to eat it the way it is. First of all, we went to the meat counter at Vee grocery store, which are a predominant grocery chain here in North Iowa. And these were pretty fairly priced chicken breasts. And you can use them in a wide variety of recipes. For me, I look for stuff that I can make quick fix sandwiches with. And this here is a first time creation for me. I've made them breaded, but this time I made it grilled. And This is the kind of food that you'll see a lot throughout the North Iowa region. It's usually something that is a favorite by many of the locals. It is real simple and easy to make. It only takes just under 10 to 15 minutes. Not counting the time that it takes to thaw it from frozen. When we buy it, it is not frozen. Usually we'll bring it home, we just freeze it. So, with that being said, let's pick up one of these sandwiches here, take a bite, and tell you what all I'm tasting here and how it stacks up on our 1 to 5 scale rating system, alright? Well, let me tell you what. The chicken is so flavorful, so juicy and succulent. That is without a doubt one tasty sandwich, y'all. It's the first time for me, like I said. But it is quite delicious. The chicken is cooked thoroughly throughout. Let's go in for another bite, shall we? That there, folks, is quite delicious. You want to season it with a little minor amount of onion salt. Just because I didn't have any onions to add to it. Good stuff, y'all. The flavors are point on. The texture and the flavor of the chicken is banging. On a 1 to 5 scale, I'm going to give this straight on boom 5 all day long. It's very good. It's very easy to make. And I don't think you'll be disappointed. I definitely recommend you go out and try this if you haven't already. And we sure love to hear your comments on this down below. Please be sure to check out our playlist. And if you haven't become a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are always very much welcoming of new subscribers and viewers to the channel. And we will try to mention all new subscribers during our videos at some point. We're still in the early stages of implementing all these different changes to our channel. But needless to say, either way it goes, we appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe out there, my friends. And as always, good eats. And I'll catch y'all in the very next video. Thanks, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Have a safe 4th of July weekend with your family. And may God bless you all with safe health. Thank you very much for watching. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.